Hi! Welcome to Cooking Simply Delicious. What was Chip's favorite dance style? It's salsa! This classic, simple and tasty salsa recipe, the perfect spice blend, and love it with tortilla chips. But it is also great in tacos and fajitas as well. Salsa technically means sauce in Spanish and has been livening up Latin American food for centuries. Before we go any farther, come join me to pick some fresh ingredients in making salsa. Peppers and salsas come in all colors, sizes, and heats. Biting into the right pepper can leave you reaching for another spoonful or running towards the nearest glass of milk. It is important to understand which is a sweet pepper, which is a hot pepper, and which is the hottest pepper in the world. Alright, this is the harvest of the day. So, let's make Chip's favorite dance style. Salsa salsa. In a high heat temperature, let's add oil in a griddle. Then, just cut a little X of these tomatoes. Once the tomatoes are roasted, it will slip the skin off like a charm. Next, let's add unpeeled garlic cloves, followed by onion. For this salsa recipe, I am using 3 different kinds of peppers because I love spicy. I am using jalapenos, serranos, and habaneros. But if you don't like spicy, stick with jalapeno. Green jalapenos are grassy and crisp, while red ones are sweet and fruity. Both contain mild, strong heat. On the other hand, serranos are my favorite peppers for salsa. They are crisp with a potent heat. While habaneros, they are citrus-like with extreme heat. Ooh! Extremely hot, super hot. That's why I only use 1 habanero. By the way, my favorite salsa is when it's roasted. What is yours? The secret of the delicious salsa and most salsas is roasting of all the ingredients. Oops, except the cilantro and lime. It is unique from most salsas, which are either raw or made from canned tomatoes. Roasting intensifies the flavor of the tomatoes, mellows the onions and garlic, and adds a touch of smokiness. Once the skins are burned side by side, they are ready. It takes about 3 to 5 minutes each side. Ooh, it's really hot. Do you see the trick? It's really easy once you cut X into tomato. The skin peels so quick. So exciting! These tomatoes, they look so juicy and flavorful. If you've never tried roasting your veggies, you're missing out on so much glorious deliciousness. Making your own salsa is super easy to do, and the result? It will be so incredible. It's so much more flavorful than store-bought, and you can adjust it to meet your exact tastes. There's no better time to make it than at the end of summer, when tomatoes are ripe, juicy, and bursting with flavor. Make sure to remove garlic skins. Once everything is cut and peeled, transfer them in the food processor and add 1 teaspoon of salt. Salsa, as we know it, can be traced back as far as the time of the Aztecs, Mayans, and Incas. Salsa didn't become a fixture in Spain until the 1500s. You can't have great salsa without tomatoes, and the Aztecs were the first peoples to domesticate the tomato. Their first salsa contained chiles, tomatoes, squash, and beans. Smells so good. Smells so delicious.
So good.
I want more. That is Cooking Simply Delicious. Thank you for watching. For more cooking and simply delicious recipes, don't forget to subscribe. Till next time.